Aspiring homeowners. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 cities in the US to buy a home in 2024. From hidden gems with booming economies to established cities with a focus on affordability, get ready to discover places where your dream home doesn't have to break the bank. So, ditch the despair and get ready to explore the exciting world of attainable homeownership. When it comes to buying property in the US, it's important to consider the bigger picture. Location is, of course, one of the biggest factors, but so are economic opportunity, crime and safety, affordability, growth, education, and climate. Right now, the average sales price of US homes is $513,100, according to the Federal Reserve. 5 years ago, that number was just $375,500. While there have been extenuating circumstances leading to this jump, prices are likely to continue to climb in the coming years. If you're thinking about buying property in the next 5 years, here are some US cities to consider. Make sure hit subscribe button for more videos. Number 5. Riverside, California. Typical home price, $643,521. Year-over-year increase in price, 8.6%. Safety index, 59.76, moderate. Climate index, 86.63, very high. Crime and safety rating, C. Overall rating, B. Having leased and sold millions of square feet in the Inland Empire, I can vouch for Riverside's rapid growth. The area could be a great place for investors as well as individual residents to buy. It's located near several major urban centers, including Anaheim, California, San Bernardino, California, Los Angeles, and, to an extent, San Diego. Yet, according to Stance, it still maintains a small-town community feel that makes it attractive to families. Riverside is poised for sustained growth, he said. The city's dedication to arts, innovation and new business development makes it a prime location for both residential and commercial investments. Number 4. New Albany, Ohio. Typical home price, $599,251. Year-over-year increase in price, 7.9%. Safety index in nearby Columbus, 50.66, moderate. Climate index in Columbus, 71.29, high. Crime and safety rating, B+. Overall rating, A+. Ohio, said New Albany is a hidden gem that's bound to become a hot spot in the next 5 years. This lesser-known location is on the verge of a significant economic boom due to Intel's new microchip plant, he said. The plant is expected to bring over 3,000 jobs and $20 billion in investment to the area. This project is part of a larger initiative to create a Silicon Heartland in Ohio. It will drive technological growth and economic development. Number 3. Hudson Valley/Catskills region, New York. Typical home price, $446,241. Year-over-year increase in price, 7%. Safety index, 49.22, moderate. Climate index, 79.66, high. Crime and safety rating, B. Overall rating, B. Several locations in the Hudson Valley/Catskills region could also be great to buy property in the next 5 years. Kingston is right in the heart of the Hudson Valley and has a lot going for it. The city is undergoing a significant revitalization right now, she said. Catskill is really on the rise. It offers affordable housing prices and is close to both the Hudson River and the Catskill Mountains. There's a lot of ongoing revitalization in the downtown area, which is drawing new businesses and residents. And the options don't stop there. Livingston Manor is another great spot to see the positive appreciation, and it's a perfect place for those who love the outdoors, she said. It's nestled in the southern Catskills and offers both beautiful natural surroundings and small-town charm. Over the past few years, it's become a hotspot for weekenders from the city, which has spurred growth in the local economy. Number 2. Boise, Idaho. Typical home price, $491,295. Year-over-year increase in price, 4.8%. Safety index, 64.72, high. Climate index, 65.11, high. Crime and safety rating, B. Overall rating, A. While based in California, seen great potential in Boise. Boise's rise as an economic and population growth center cannot be overlooked, he said. The city's low cost of living and high quality of life make it a compelling market. City would make for a great investment opportunity, especially for those who purchase commercial spaces, like office buildings. This is because the rental market there is already high and buildings, residential and non-residential alike, have continued to appreciate over time. Number 1. Atlanta. Typical home price, $399,879. Year-over-year increase in price, 2%. Safety index, 36.02, low. Climate index, 89.73, high. Crime and safety rating, C. Overall rating, A. For those interested in living in the South, Atlanta is another U.S. city to consider. As an Atlanta realtor, I wholeheartedly believe Atlanta is the top city for property investment in the next 5 years. Our city is an economic powerhouse in the Southeast, with major companies like Delta, Coca-Cola and Home Depot continually expanding. These corporations, along with numerous tech startups, are generating job opportunities and attracting people from other states to Atlanta and its surrounding suburbs, compared to other major cities such as New York, San Francisco and Los Angeles. Atlanta offers a relatively affordable cost of living, he said. Our suburbs are growing, providing excellent schools and much lower cost per square foot than other major metropolitan areas. Although housing prices are rising, Atlanta still provides more affordable options and promises a better return on investment over the next 5 years. Remember, buying a home is a big decision. Research the specific housing market in your chosen city, consider your long-term goals, and factor in your budget for not just the house but also ongoing costs. Make sure hit subscribe button for more videos.